Hello guys, how are you doing? Uh, if you want to renew your domain using NameCheap domain registrar, then this video uh, will be a useful one for you. So recently one of our domain uh, is about to expire and we need to renew the domain. So in this video, we will guide you through and help you to renew your domain if you have one of the domain in the NameCheap account. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to the URL namecheap.com, and then you have to provide your login credentials. As you can see, I am inside the dashboard of NameCheap account. The remaining balance is 3.30 USD dollar. uh, we can top up the balance also. To check the domain that is about to expire, you can go to domain list. As you can see, one of our domain uh, gets the alert. So click on the renew button, and this will provide you every details to renew the domain, like the fees that the Namecheap is about to take you. You can renew from 1 years to 5 years maximum. For now, I am about to renew this domain for a year. Uh, for now, the balance is not enough in my account, so I'm about to top up the balance. You can top up the balance in Namecheap like this. So I just calculated the amount that I need to top up to renew my one or more domains. So let me quickly load the balance inside the NameCheap account. You can add PayPal or other accounts as well. As you can see, I have already linked uh, uh, my accounts through which I can top up my NameCheap account. I have input the balance and selected the payment method. As you can see, the funds have been successfully added to my account. My new balance is 28.30 USD. Now I can renew my domain. Just click on the renew button. It will cost me around $14. If you have promo code, you can receive from the dashboard or the homepage of Namecheap. If you put that promo code, then you will get certain discount. So it's a good to check if Namecheap is offering any discount coupon. So it's better to check the promo code before proceeding the payment. You can get certain discount. As you can see, I'm about to confirm the payment by clicking the pay now button. It is authorizing my payment, and it is processing. In a moment, this transaction will complete and domain renew work will be done. Uh, as you can see, it is showing thank you for purchase message to me. This way you can renew your domain. The steps are so easy. If you have any confusion, please let us know with the comment section. We will help you in that process, or you can connect us in our social media. We will guide you through from there too. So yeah, this is it for today. In this video, we showed you how you can renew your expiring domain inside the NameCheap dashboard. So once again, thank you for watching our video. If you need any guidelines, you can check our website as well. Our website is www.evergreentechtips.com. Thank you for watching our video.